Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to have a look at the options we have after you have already done selecting your variables. You have the values in front of you, you have the firms, everything is set. So now it's time to download the information. So before you download, I just want to go over a few options that you actually can have a look at. So in here, you have four buttons that you can click. So the very first thing we are going to look at is USD. What it means that the unit of the default actually the default currency at this moment is in USD. So sometimes it's good to have a look whether you want this to be in USD or any other things. Another thing is you are looking at by default everything is being in terms of the absolute form. That means when you are looking at units, all the data are in absolute form. That means if it is 3 billion, you get all the digits. But you can trim it down to thousands, millions, or billions. I'm just going to look, for example, if I click on million and apply, you will see that the data over here, for example, the total asset size, probably hopefully, just because all this information are in ratio, but you can actually bring this down to if the information is in absolute form to thousands, millions, or billions. Then here, the next item after USD, you have the Excel function. So this is the one you need to click if you want to download the data. So if I click on Excel, you are going to see a pop-up window somewhere. It's supposed to, okay. So here you go. You have the export to Excel function. So the default name will appear. It's always going to be export the date and the time probably. Then you have several options for Excel. If you click here, you can include the search strategy and all these things. So you can just keep it by default. Now, whether you want to see current view, standard view, or free view, I would ask you to keep it in current view so that you are going to get all the information that you are going to get. You can also click on standard view. It's up to you, but you can just keep on current view. So it's going to download everything that you can see in the screen. You can either choose all entities or a range of entities. So at this moment, we are going to keep all entities and you can just, at this moment, if you click on export, you will get the Excel file. But if you want this information in your email, you can also click on this and put your email address and you will get one copy of this data in email. So let's click export and the data will be downloaded, and at the same time it is going to be available in the export zone for 2 weeks. If you want to for some reason you have lost it, you want to get it, so you just need to come back to the export zone and you can get it again. So here you go. The data is now in my downloads and you can just access the data. You need to do some filtering, convert this into panel, and you are ready to go. And that's it. That's how you export the data. You can also save these entities based on your selection. Everything you can just click, give this a name and some description about this sample and the database, and you can click save. So you just can come back and open up these entities and just go on and do your analysis. If you click on actions, you can add different notes. You can delete entities. You can export only the entity names. Another like simple way to create a random sample out of these 100 companies is if you click here, the database will automatically generate a random sample, something to have a look at if you are interested. And that's it for today. I hope that you find this video useful. You have a wonderful day. Bye.